In this video we will look at how to file an appeal with Roblox, and also to whom and in what situations it is necessary to do this. Hello, I am YoYoji and welcome to the Baker's Dozen. As always, don't forget to rate this video, leave good comments and carefully check the description and pinned comment. It is in your best interest to watch the video in full and without rewinding. Enjoy watching. So, if your Roblox account or content you have uploaded to Roblox Studio has been banned, deleted by mistake and you have proof of this, you can try to appeal. Go to roblox.com, in the upper right corner click here, help, scroll down, contact us, support form. That's what we need. Be sure to include your work email, as communication will take place through it. You need to select a platform and a category. In our case it is moderation. Then it remains to choose the option that suits your case and politely, in detail and without errors describe what happened. If you select content appeal, you will need to provide the ID of what was removed. If you do not remember, then just look in the messages. There shall be a message with a notice about the removal of content. The message usually contains the name, ID and reason for the removal of the content. You can also use this information when describing a problem. But there is one problem. Text is limited to 1000 characters, so try to keep it short and to the point. In my experience, support responds after a few days. Therefore, if your account was banned for 1 day, then most likely there is no point in appealing. But if your account was banned due to the content that you uploaded to Roblox Studio and this content did not violate anything, but was still blocked by the moderator, then yes, you need to file an appeal, because this is a really serious problem and it needs to be attention. Because this situation may repeat itself and it may negatively affect your account. And this is important, especially for game developers. I remind, be polite when talking with customer support. So, if the video was helpful, please click like, write a good comment and share this video on social networks, so that it helps even more people. Eat plenty of delicious and equally healthy food. Don't get sick, don't be bored. Thanks for watching and see you later. Creating content and learning a language is not a bad plan, maybe.